Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 知 step by step. As always, I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 知 It marks preceding phrase as modifier of following phrase. Means him, her, it. For example, 之一 means one of something. One of something. Check this sentence. This is one of my favorite books. This is one of my favorite books. 这是我最喜欢的书之一。这是我最喜欢的书之一。Now let's write in Chinese. 这是我最喜欢 favorite 的书 books 之一 one of books. 这是我最喜欢的书之一。这是我最喜欢的书之一。这是我最喜欢的书之一。This is one of my favorite books. Now let's write 之 in cursive. 之一。之一 one of something. This is one of my favorite books. 这是我最喜欢的书之一。Please comment any words or sentence with 之。I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.